Welcome to week 8 of the OBS guided study group. Week 8, we will be covering dynamics part 2. Basically, it's reading one page of text and watching 2 videos with a total watch time of 54 minutes. This is probably the longest video time to watch in the entire course. And it may be the least useful to everybody. However, it is part of the course, so the first video is unlocking the unlimited streaming potential of RTMP. It's a fireside chat with Psynaps, a well-known speaker for that particular thing. The second video is how to use NDI with OBS for no screen sharing, dual PC streaming. Both of those topics, to me, seem a little esoteric, but there may be people actually interested in learning this thing, or at least in knowing about where to find the information should you ever be interested in learning about it. As usual, I will be posting this evening, Friday, February the 16th. The live Q&A session will be a week from this coming Monday at 8 p.m. Central Time. There will be a posting about that later. In the meantime, that's the coursework for week 8, and we will see you later. Thank you for watching. And now we're going to stop the recording.